Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and today I will be creating mermaid nails. And this is one of the tutorials that is definitely a very simple one, but it actually looks like it's complicated, but it's not. So right here I am just applying some peel off coat. I'm just using some regular old Elmer's glue that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. It is an alternative to a peel off coat if you don't have one. And then I'll just be buffing out the nails like I usually do, and I'll get to filing and I'll get to buffing, and then I will begin with this nail tutorial. People were asking down below how I place my nail tips on, so what I do is I apply base coat and then I apply the nail tip, and after I just cure it under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. These are the polishes of my choice. I did purchase them at the Dollar Tree, and here I am just using a cosmetic wedge, and as you guys can see, I'm placing all the colors onto the sponge. So first I'm starting off with the blue and then the purple, and I will be doing some ombre with the blue on top and the purple on the bottom, and then the other way around. So now I'm just gonna dab the polish onto the nails until my desired liking. Usually I go over them about 3 to 4 coats. Here I begin to use my Kiss Gel Shine Polish, and I am using this as a top coat. It is amazing. I definitely recommend this. This is $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using it as an adhesive to apply my seashells, my stars, and some beads. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. I will have everything linked down below. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support, and to all my subscribers. I am very grateful for each and every one of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And always remember, you could always leave any video requests down below. here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. By the way, I literally love these nails. They are so beautiful. Let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you so much once again. Till next time.